Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to add a Google Doc, a Google Slide, a Google Sheet, or some other Google product straight into your Canvas assignment. And so the first thing you're going to do is create an assignment that you can actually do this in. And as you can see right here, this one is under assignments and I have labeled it winter break. So I'm going to come in now and edit it. Okay, come down here. This is the big piece. The submission type is what you want to go to. No submission. Select it, click External Tool, and inside this little box, click the Find button. And here's the key, Google Assignments LTI. That's the one you want to use, Google Assignments LTI, because this is what allows you to set it up so that it looks like Google Classroom assignments that you create. Click Continue, and to click the Attach button. Type in what the title of the Google slide or the Google document, whatever it is that you're working with. And so now it is in here and it's basically set up so that each student is going to get a copy. I'm going to click Create, then click Select, and now I save it and I'm done.